emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before, honest but I know. Left these years ago, I was young and almost still can't fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love?
So I'm going to start out by decluttering all the clothes and stuff in my closet. And then when I'm done doing that, I decide that I'm going to just take everything to Plato's Closet, which is like a used clothing store, and they buy back gently used clothes, and I always sell my stuff there, and it's so easy and convenient. And then sometimes I'll actually shop there because they have super cute stuff, like I said, gently used for like really cheap. So after I'm done decluttering, I'm gonna show you guys everything I decluttered and then take you guys with me on a quick trip to Plato's Closet.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love?
Make sure you guys stick around and watch to the end, because the result of the organization at the end is literally so satisfying. I'm so excited and happy with how it turned out. I also forgot to mention they buy back like unused lotions, body sprays, like little accessories and shoes. So I also decluttered some of that, and now we are headed to Plato's Closet. Alright guys, so I just left Plato's Closet. I took my stuff in, went to Target because it's like right next door, and then within like 15 minutes I got a text saying my stuff was ready. So after I was done at Target, I went back and picked it up, and they took 11 items and gave me $30 and like 45 cents, I think. So I was pretty happy with that. They usually never take everything because they're super picky, but for them to take 11 items and I get about $3 per item is pretty good. The rest of the stuff I'm probably just gonna donate. So I'm happy with that, and I'm gonna make one more quick trip to see if I can find some cute organization bins for my closet instead of the mismatched ones I have now, and then I will head back and continue organizing. So I wanted to give you guys like a quick close-up look of my closet before I start organizing it, because I feel like it's hard to see. It goes kind of deep, and it's hard to just see from this viewpoint. So I'm going to just quickly take you around. And like I said, I use this closet for obviously more than clothing. I use it for clothes, shoes, my stockpile stuff, and candles, lotions, body sprays, hair stuff. So this closet is like my multi-purpose closet because I don't have a ton of space in the apartment. So let's just do a quick overview. So obviously I have my clothes here. I have my sweatshirts and t-shirts and jackets here. And then I have basically all my shoes here. I have some more, which I'll show you in a second, but this is like my everyday shoes. And then I have my jeans. Up here I keep, like, that box is kind of like a keepsake box. This bin is also kind of part of my stockpile. It carries all the stuff I've gotten like on clearance or for free for kids. So if I ever have like a kid's birthday party, which I actually do go to a lot of them because I work with kids, or holidays or something, I just go in this bin and pick out a gift. I have stuff ranging from newborn toys and clothes to probably about 5-year-old stuff. So this has always been nice to just be able to like pick something out really quickly. And then this is my stockpile. I'm not going to do like a stockpile tour because this is obviously not that video, but this is all the stuff that I'm keeping that my family uses, including me, my brother, my mom, my grandma. So like this is our pile of stuff. This is more stockpile stuff, which I got organized, which I'll show you guys. And then this is organization stuff I have extra of. In here I have bathing suits, and then this random soccer ball, which I need to find a better place for. And then some extra shoes that I didn't have space for. So these are soccer cleats, flats, wedges. And down here I have like winter boots and stuff and rain boots. On the other side I have like fancy shoes, like heels and stuff. All right, so this is where I keep like a ton of random stuff. So on this first shelf, I have like a teddy bear and the 2 extra towels that I have. I want to find a better spot because this closet also is like my linen closet, so I need to find a better spot for these. And then this, which has a whole bunch of cat fur in it because my cat likes to sleep in here, has all my extra purses, wallets, travel bags, all that shenanigans. Here I keep all my extra organization tools. So bins, I have liner in there, just all the extra tools that I bought and I ended up like not using or like reorganize something. So I love having this because it's nice to just kind of pick out of here when I need something quick to organize. This is all my extra like Bath and Body Works lotions. And here I have just like travel size or hand lotions. This is not that. This is hand sanitizers. And this is all my headbands because if you guys haven't noticed, I wear a headband like every single day. So I got these cute bins from At Home. And if you guys don't have an At Home store near you, I'm so sorry because the store is literally the best. I would look around to see if you guys do. They have such great deals. They always have clearance deals as well as just good regular prices. So I got 2 of these small bins and these were $3.99 each. And I think I'm going to use like headbands and like little stuff like the hand sanitizers and hand lotions. And then in here, I don't know what I'm going to use these for, but they're nice and deep, which is really awesome. And I got white so that if I ever end up like using them for another project, they're a neutral color. And these were $6.99. And they had ones kind of like these at Target. I think they were like $8 or $9, but they weren't as big. So I'm glad I got these. And I'll show you guys a clip really quick of like all the different color bins that they have like this. So if you guys are looking for some cute organization bins, they have just about every color you could think of. So I would definitely check them out. So now that I've decluttered, now I'm going to take everything that I'm going to reorganize out of the closet and give it a quick vacuum to get any crumbs and dust up. And then I'm going to put some of my stockpile items away and really get into the organizing part.
Off the beaten track to become a better man, sinking in the center. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love?
To fit all of my extra gifts and stuff into 2 bins, one for the kids and one for the adult gifts. And while I'm doing that, I just want to quickly introduce myself if you are new. My name is Alyssa and I am 22 years old. I make cleaning, organizing, and decluttering videos here on my channel. I'm going to be uploading 2 videos a week, so if you guys are interested in sticking around and joining this awesome community, I would love if you would subscribe and definitely give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying it.
You don't forget your first love. We were young and wild, we were up all night. Don't forget that summer sun 2009. We were feeling high, and I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move. It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind.
This is my favorite part of any organization project, is taking everything out that I'm going to be organizing and putting them all into the new pretty bins, because that's just so much fun. I don't know why. So like I said, I'm taking everything out and just kind of putting them in the new bins for now before I start organizing. And then I'm going to put all of my old bins in my little organization location, so that I can use them for my next project if need be. And then I get to the awesome and fun part of reorganizing and putting everything in its new spot.
Will forever miss. And I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move. It was all my time, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. It was all my time, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die.
I'm curious what organization projects you guys have to do in your house, and which ones you're least looking forward to and which ones you're most looking forward to. I have not a lot of places that I need to reorganize. I'm going to try and reorganize under my bathroom cabinet, and I'm also going to try and reorganize my coat closet, but almost everything else is pretty good because we just moved in about 2.5 months ago, so I reorganized everything when we moved in. But like I said, let me know in the comments down below what you guys have to organize. If you guys are new here, I would love for you to introduce yourself in the comments. I love talking to you guys and meeting with you guys and getting to know you. So like I said, if you're new, please leave a comment down below. I'm going to be putting everything back in the closet and kind of just situating it how I like it. And then I will give you guys a tour of my new organized closet. I still have all my clothes over here, just obviously I decluttered some, and I know someone's going to comment like, why are the hangers mismatched? I'm really not that picky. I have the same 3 colors and the same kind of hanger, so that's all that matters to me. I'm not really going to color coordinate because I know I'm not going to stick with it. I still have all of my shoes right here, and I have all of my jeans, and then moving up, I still have that box, and then the bin I moved, and I'll show you guys that in a second. My stockpile looks the same basically. I just organized it a little bit. Up here I put my bowling ball, I have my travel bag and some travel accessories in there, and then I have that green purse, and then I just put my other 2 purses in there, so it takes up less space, and then I still have my extra shoes. I still have my dresses right here, and what I did was I folded the long ones over so they didn't take up as much space going all the way to the ground. Here's where I put all of those extra gifts. I was able to fit most of the adult gifts in one bin, and then I have some extras. So this is all the adult gifts, and then moving down is the kids gifts in that bottom bin. Ended up using these bins in like a pattern, so I did the white, the green and the white again. So in the top ones, I have my towels. Actually, I only have one towel because I just used another one. So I keep my 2 extra towels in here and the other one in the bathroom. In here, I have all of my candles. And in here, it's kind of hard to see, but I have all of my lotions. Moving down to the second row, I have these green bins that I already had, and I just use them. And I like how it's literally like the same pattern, but a different color and a different shape. So in here, I have my bathing suits. I have my 1 hat, and hopefully I can get more hats in here. In this one, I have all of my body sprays and perfume. And in this last one, I'm not going to pull it out, but it has all my extra wallets and like little purses. On the next row, I just have these 2 little white bins. Again, this one has my headbands, which I said I was going to do. And then this one has my extra hand sanitizers and hand lotion. So in this bin, I organized it a little bit, but it's not like, you know, perfect. So I have all of my phone accessories and computer accessories up here. This is like the random bin. I have extra batteries, I have my Alexa plugs, and my extra cords. And then in this last one, I have extra headphones. And finally, on the last row, I just have my extra storage containers and more extra storage containers that I couldn't fit in this bin. So that's gonna be the end of the video today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. I had a ton of fun organizing my closet. I love to organize. So if you guys like more organization, decluttering, and cleaning videos, please subscribe and make sure you like this video because it helps my channel out and I would really appreciate it. And yes, I'm wearing a different outfit because I have to re-record this ending because the other one was just a hot mess. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.